Yeah, while we're here, might as well go down to Sleepy Bay. Short walk down to Sleepy Bay. What else is there to say? Now we just follow the cliff top around to the bay. Now there's a bit of a walk down to the beach. Now this isn't a sandy beach, it's a pebbly beach. It's hard for maybe us Australians culturally to call a pebbly beach a beach because we expect nice fine white sand, but it is what it is. Right, here we are. Little bay. You can see these pink granite boulders. Not sure if the light shows it very well. Over on the Cape Tourville, see that orange lichen above the high tide mark on the cliffs. And if we pan around, you can see the light on the hazards as it's getting close to sunset. Beautiful little place. Now, the Tooth Fairy is a bit of a bowerbird, so once we've done some collecting of rocks and shells, let's just follow the track back to the car park. It's probably 15 minutes. That's it. Thanks for watching.